Is Gaston's Tavern going to be able to beat my Disney dining menu ranking series? Let's find out. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is Jillian from MaxineMakesMagic, and today we are back for one of my Disney dining menu ranking challenges, and we are going to focus on Gaston's Tavern and Fantasyland within the Magic Kingdom. This pass or fail 5-step Disney dining ranking series is used to help you determine if Disney dining locations are worth your hard-earned time, money, and are a good fit for you and your travel party. The 5 categories we're going to be ranking today are location in the park, the location theming, food variety, cost, and last but certainly not least, food theming. If you want to say in which dining location I review next, go ahead and give me a follow over on my Instagram and my Threads account. I drop these polls wanting to see what you guys want me to review here on the channel, so don't forget to go check that out. But let's go ahead and dive into our rankings for today for Gaston's Tavern. I have my iPad in front of me, so we can start by reviewing the location of Gaston's Tavern in the parks. As a reminder, the location in the park is based on, is it well trafficked, easily accessible, open year round? And I would say that this location is relatively accessible. If we're looking at the Magic Kingdom map, it is tucked way at the back of Fantasyland, like past the castle, way in the back of the park. Pretty much if you are going to go to the undersea journey of the Little Mermaid, you're gonna be over in this area of the park. Most folks go back here because they want to see Be Our Guest restaurants at Beast Castle. They're going past Seven Dwarfs Mine Train. It is buried in the back, but it is extremely distinct. You know where this is at the minute you see the Gaston and LeFou statue. You know exactly where you are at. So overall, I would say that because of its location, it is quite trafficked, very popular, open year round. I'm gonna give category 1 of the location in the park a pass. Moving over to category 2, we're gonna talk about location theming. And guys, this is one of the best themed locations. And I think really anywhere, not only in the Magic Kingdom, but in Walt Disney World, it is themed so well. You are getting to step into Gaston's Tavern. What more could you ask for if you are a Beauty and the Beast fan? It's super cute. There is limited seating within this location, but overall, it is adorable. You've got your antler decorations because, you know, Gaston, manly man, hunter, we've got that like lodge vibe going on. It's adorable. This is an easy pass for me. I think when it comes to overall location theming, this is like what you want. I'm gonna give location theming category 2 a pass. Moving on to category 3, we are going to talk about food variety. And as a friendly reminder, food variety is based on, are there sweet and savory options? Are there plant-based, vegetarian, a wide variety of things that you can have at this location. Now, taking a look at the menu, I will say it is pretty limited. Taking a look at the menu, there are about 4 food options overall. The remainder are beverage options, and beverage options will be discussed today because there is one beverage option here that is very popular. But looking at food variety, we have the gray stuffed cupcake, okay, adorable. The warm cinnamon roll, we will talk about it in a second. A creme brulee croissant, and a ham and gruyere tart. Last but not least, there is a LeFou's brew drink as well. Overall, talking about food variety, there is 1 meat option, so there's really not many savory options here. You're not gonna go here to get a meal. There's definitely a lot of sweet options. If you are a sweets fan, this is a great location for you. And the last piece is vegan, vegetarian options. There is a vegan option. LeFou's Brew is vegan, currently based on blogs, Disney website. It is a vegan option. However, there is not enough variety on this menu to be well-rounded enough With that being said, it does fail when it comes to category 3 for food variety. Category number 4 of our ranking series is cost. Let me tell you, this is a easy pass. The average cost of the menu items is $8.06. Taking a look at the menu itself, I would say the food items here are a steal, especially the food rather than the beverage items. An absolute steal. The fact that you can get a giant warm cinnamon roll for $6.99, it's shareable, you guys. We'll talk about it here when we get to category 5, but I'm telling you right now, this is an easy pass. Great snack location, great options. Passing category 4, easy peasy for Gaston's Tavern. Of course it is, it's Gaston. Moving on to the last and final category that we're gonna talk about today is food theming. My favorite category, the typical tiebreaker. Not that we need a tiebreaker today, because if you've been following along, Gaston's Tavern is a easy pass for my Disney dining menu ranking series, but we need to round things out today with food theming. And honestly, I think this is one of the better locations within the park that has really cute Disney themed items. The first, and I think the most obvious, is the gray stuff cupcake. The fact that they've got a gray stuff cupcake, I mean, come on, try the gray stuff. It's delicious. Don't believe me? Ask the dishes. If you are a Beauty and the Beast fan, you know that the gray stuff is such a quintessential part of Be Our Guest. So with that being said, the gray stuff, the fact that you can get a cupcake, oh my gosh, it's a chocolate cupcake with the gray stuff and crispy pearls. And the gray stuff at the parks is a cookies and cream mousse, which if you want to go ahead and try to make that at home, I do have a Disney Parks food series where I recreate popular Disney recipes at home, and I've recreated the gray stuff, so go ahead and check that out. But also on this menu, there is, and I think what's the most popular item on the menu, the warm cinnamon roll. You guys, this is an XL gooey warm cinnamon roll with that delicious cream cheese icing. Oh my God. These XL warm cinnamon rolls are shareable. They're a perfect snack at $6.99. I mean, come on. They're a great deal. Highly, highly, highly would check that one out. It is known for being absolutely delicious. You don't have to try it to know. Enough Disney bloggers have talked about it. The creme brulee croissant. It's a croissant. I mean, it fits in with the French theme. I get it, but we're gonna pass right along from that. Same with the ham and Gruyere tart. Again, French pastry, kind of to be expected. However, we have got LeFou's Brew, another treat I have not tried, but it is on my list. So as it is described, it is a frozen apple juice. Yum. If you are like me and you're from the Midwest, it is fall. It is cider season if you have cider mills in your area, and you know that whether it is frozen, hot, or chilled, frozen cider is delicious. Granted, this is apple juice. I digress. It's still delicious. It is frozen apple juice with a hint of toasted marshmallow, sold, and topped with all natural passion fruit mango foam. Disney loves their foam, but this sounds amazing. And I can 100% understand why folks would want to go here and try LeFou's Brew. I think if you're a Universal fan, this is a very good competitor to the butterbeer. I think that's really what the purpose of creating this was. They wanted to have some sort of a treat that you're having a brew in Gaston's Tavern, and I think it's a good competitor to the butterbeer over at Universal Islands of Adventure. If you want to find that really picture-worthy type treat, this is a great place. You're gonna have great backdrops for your snacks as well, whether you take it outside in front of the LeFou and Gaston fountain, or if you want to stay inside and get it in front of the fireplace, in front of the chandeliers. It's a great location if you are a blogger or just a Disney dining aficionado, as I consider myself. So with that being said, congratulations, Gaston's Tavern. You have passed the Disney Dining Menu Ranking Series here on Maxine Makes Magic. I know, such a prestigious award that you've won yourself today, Gaston. You should be so proud. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I'm gonna add another poll on my Instagram, my Threads account, and right here on YouTube very soon, so you can vote for which Disney dining menu ranking video you want to see next. If you like videos like these, go ahead, like, subscribe, follow along for more. Comment down in the comment section if you agree or disagree with any of my opinions, what you want to see next. Make sure you comment down below. I read every single one. I love interacting with you guys. And thank you, as always, for supporting this channel. It means truly so much to me as a Midwest Disney content creator. I don't get to go down to the parks very often, so it's really exciting to find ways to kind of deep dive into the parks and share my love from them right here at home. As always, this is Jillian from Maxine Makes Magic, and I hope you have a magical day. Bye, guys.